Welcome back to Modern Homes and Gardens, where creativity, inspiration, and timeless design come together to transform everyday spaces into something truly remarkable. Every home has the potential to become a reflection of imagination, personality, and thoughtful craftsmanship. Sometimes the most impressive transformations begin with ideas that encourage us to see familiar materials and ordinary objects in entirely new ways. By approaching design with creativity and purpose, we can discover opportunities to enhance our surroundings while adding character, beauty, and uniqueness to every corner of a living space. Modern home design is no longer just about following trends. It is about creating environments that feel welcoming, functional, and visually inspiring. Whether working with large spaces or small ones, thoughtful details can make a significant difference. Texture, color, pattern, and material selection all play important roles in shaping the atmosphere of a room. When these elements come together harmoniously, they create spaces that feel balanced, comfortable, and effortlessly elegant. Innovation often emerges from simple ideas. A creative mindset allows us to transform overlooked possibilities into stunning design features. Small decorative additions, customized furnishings, artistic accents, and personalized touches can dramatically change the appearance of a space while making it feel more authentic and inviting. The beauty of home improvement lies in its ability to combine practicality with artistic expression. Today's design landscape celebrates individuality. Homeowners are increasingly embracing personalized solutions that showcase their own style rather than relying solely on mass-produced decor. This shift encourages experimentation, allowing unique concepts to flourish and bringing fresh energy into modern interiors. The result is a growing appreciation for spaces that tell a story and reflect the creativity of the people who live within them. Natural light, carefully chosen materials, and thoughtful layouts continue to shape the future of residential design. These elements work together to create environments that feel open, refreshing, and connected to everyday living. As design evolves, there's a growing focus on making homes not only beautiful, but also meaningful, functional, and enjoyable for years to come. The process of creating a beautiful home is a journey rather than a destination. Every improvement, no matter how small, contributes to a larger vision. Over time, these thoughtful enhancements come together to create spaces that inspire comfort, productivity, relaxation, and connection. The most memorable interiors are often those that blend practicality with creativity while maintaining a sense of warmth and authenticity. As we continue exploring innovative ideas and inspiring transformations, remember that great design is not defined by size, budget, or complexity. It is defined by imagination, attention to detail, and the willingness to create something uniquely your own. Every space offers an opportunity to express creativity and bring new life to the environment around us. Thank you for spending time with Modern Homes and Gardens. We hope today's inspiration encourages you to explore new possibilities, embrace creative thinking, and discover exciting ways to elevate your living spaces. If you enjoyed this content, be sure to support Modern Homes and Gardens and join us again for more inspiring ideas, innovative designs, and beautiful home transformations. Until next time, keep creating, keep imagining, and keep designing spaces that truly inspire.